Hello guys, this is Rhythm Arya from Be Technical. Today we will learn how to add users detail after registration. For this you need to create another table in your database. Let's get to the code. Here you can see the insert command. The table name is my records. You can name whatever you want. And just another form has been created where you can add the details. Like I've selected select image, title, type, what type of data are you inputting, anything you can write here. As when you will press the submit button, these all attributes which have been entered by the users will be checked and user ID will be automatically transferred in the my records table just to take the count that this record belongs to this particular user. Under the description box you will find the link to the source code. There are some multiple conditions applied to upload an image. Like in my code, I have put in a limit of 5 lakh size to a file to upload. Bigger than that would not be able to be uploaded here. This will be a file format. Only these type of file will be uploaded in my project. Here this variable upload 0k will act like a flag variable. If it is 0, then your files are not being uploaded. There must be some error. Then the query is run with the connection file and your details will be uploaded if both the things have been executed. I'll just show you a practical use. I had created a user here. One thing I forgot to show you. I've created a dashboard page where my links will be added. Like, see, this has been straight away taking you to the menu.php one. So inside the menu.php I had added a link to add my records. So press here, this form will be opened and I can add details as per my requirement. I need to upload insurance for my laptop. These all will be users' personal details, so it depends on you what you wanna add. And just add in the data random. You see, this image has been uploaded and details have been added successfully to your database. If I take you here, you can see this table has been created, and if you browse, you can see like user ID 1, type insurance was 1, so insurance type 1, this title and the image file name. So you can see this has been uploaded. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.